Alright, we are going to practice a little bit of nose work. Right now we're using, I think it's clove, maybe. I can't remember. You remember that? Yes, good girl. Alright, Anara, in here. Sit. Good girl. I am going to go hide this. I'm going to start it off in an easy spot because we haven't practiced this in a while. So I'm putting it just right there. And I search. Yay, good girl. Good girl. Drop it. Good girl. Let's go get treats. Good girl. I need to find my tripod, so I apologize. You guys are probably being bounced everywhere. All right, back in the kitchen. Over here. And all right. Sit. Good girl. Go hide this again. Make it a little bit sneakier this time. Hide it behind the bust. And our search. Yay! Good girl! Good girl! Yay! Here. Apparently she remembers what to do. Good girl. I know, that's scary. I love, come on. Back in here. In there. Sit. Good girl. Okay. I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna stick it up here, actually. This will be a tough one for her. And our search. She almost always goes to the last place she looked. I thought she had it there for a second. Yay! Good girl! Yes! Come here, love. Good girl. Hi, darling. Goop, come on. In there. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Alright. Now we're going to get a bit sneakier. Right there. That's a toughie. And our search. I don't know if you can hear her sniffing. Yes, good girl. Here, love. And here. Good girl. I will eventually need to teach her a cue, like sitting or something. Okay, Goop, come on. Go in here, sit. Good girl. All right. She seems to have improved since the last time we've done this. I'm going to stick it in here. Maybe, if I can open the door. And our search. Yes, good girl. There you go, baby. Alright, come on, go, go. Who's Pepper Dog? There. Sit. Thank you. Hey, sit. Thank you. Ooh. And our search. Yes, good girl. Good girl. All right, come on, let's go back in the kitchen. Good babe. Sit. Good girl. I'm going to take this out of the bag now so she doesn't hear the bag rattling. Just this. Ooh, I'm thinking underneath here. And our search. You can see her air sniffing. Good girl. Search, come on. Search. Search. It's not there anymore. This is the toughest one we've ever had. And our search. Search. Good girl. Keep searching. Good girl. Is it over here? No? Okay, good search. Is it over here? No? Is it over here? Search. I'm trying to help her out a little bit, but not too much. Good girl, love. Where is it? Search. And our search. I'm going to uncover it a little bit so she can find it. Where is it, Mom? Search. Yes, good girl. Yay! Here you go, babe. Good girl. We're going to end on an easier one next because that was a tough one. Here, love. Hey, Cooper dog. Sit. Good girl. I'm just going to put it right here on the chair. And I'm going to search. Yes, good girl, good girl. Here, babe. Good girl. And that'll be that for now.